The shelf bracket cannot be placed in the slots directly above or on top of the screw. If placing the bracket above a screw, leave 2 slots open. Use a rubber mallet and gently tap from the top to feed the brackets into the slots. Repeat on the other side, making sure the shelf brackets are at the same height. Apply plastic shelf clip, making sure the longer side of the clip is facing the appropriate direction. Place the glass in and make sure the brackets, glass, and clips are secure. Cases come with left, right, and center brackets for a full across shelf.